Flies always rank at the top of the list of the most annoying creatures on Earth. They land on our food, make buzzing noises, and constantly irritate us. But have you ever stopped to think, what would happen if one day all the flies suddenly disappeared from the planet? At first, it might seem like a good thing. No more buzzing sounds, no more covering food in a hurry. But behind this calm lies a terrifying disaster. One of the most important roles flies play in nature is acting as cleaners. Dead animals, rotten food, and waste are broken down mainly by fly larvae, also known as maggots. Without flies, carcasses would remain for weeks, and from that decay would spread dangerous bacteria and deadly diseases. Then comes the impact on the food chain. Frogs, lizards, birds, and even many fish depend heavily on flies as a primary food source. If flies go extinct, these animals would suddenly lose their food, causing their populations to decline one by one. The loss of a tiny insect can trigger a massive domino effect throughout the entire ecosystem. Many people don't realize that flies don't just visit dirty places, they also play a crucial role in pollination. Especially plants with strong or unpleasant smells often rely on flies to reproduce. Without flies, many plant species could slowly disappear from Earth. The soil would also be affected. By breaking down decaying matter, flies return essential nutrients back to the soil. If this process stops, soil fertility will decrease, crop production will suffer, and food shortages could become even more severe. Even modern medicine would feel the impact. In many parts of the world, maggot therapy is still used today, where fly larvae clean dead tissue from wounds and help them heal faster. The extinction of flies would mean the end of this life-saving treatment as well. So the question is, are flies really our enemies? Or have we simply failed to understand their role? In nature, no creature exists without a purpose. The fly we chase away every day is silently cleaning the planet and protecting our ecosystem. Flies may be small, but their absence could cause a massive global catastrophe. And yes, if you enjoy documentary-style videos filled with interesting science facts like this, make sure to subscribe and become a member of the Flixer family, because many more mind-blowing truths are coming, things you may have never imagined before.